Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a few unboxings from a few different free influencer companies. What it is they send you products for you to test out and give your honest feedback on. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxings. So the first thing I have is this Dove box. That is from Influenster, and I will link everything down in the bottom in the description box below. And if you guys like these videos and want more of them, let me know, and when I get my boxes I will go ahead and let you guys know what's in there. I will also link how you can sign up down below as well. Okay, go ahead and open this box. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. So, this box is being a little difficult, but this is what it looks like inside. And first thing I'm pulling out is this Dove card. It's Dove Advanced Care, Feel the Difference, Influenster. Now they send you these, complimentary for you to try out. And like I said, give your honest opinion. Dove Advanced Care, antiperspirant, and it's lavender scent, 48-hour odor, and wetness protection. Okay. Let's see what we have here, and we have the Dove. Let's see, hold on. Drop that down here, put that down where you guys can see it a little bit better. Probably can't see it that well. And there we have it. That's what that looks like. And we'll see if it really smells like lavender. And it does smell very well. Yeah, it smells pretty good. And goes on pretty clear. No white residue. Sorry for the keep changing in the lighting in front of a window, but it just keeps adjusting and leaving glares on my glasses. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. The next one is the PinchMe box. And this is what it looks like. And this as well is a free box. I'll go ahead and open this up. Wow, sorry about that. Okay. And this is what that looks like inside. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is some Olay Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash. Okay, and that is the camera to focus, and that is what that looks like. Let's see what this smells like. It smells like coconut. It is coconut oil, so I'm assuming that's probably why it smells like coconut. Okay, so it does smell pretty good. Okay, so today we got some Olay and some Dove. And these are both pretty good sized. The Dove is a full-sized container, and this one is pretty good. Pretty good sized compared to the full-sized Dove. Okay, so let's see what else we got in the PinchMe box. Delicious meal ideas. looks like. And good for 1 free jar of pesto sauce. That is also awesome. You get coupons with this stuff, so that is super cool. And then an Olay for Olay coupon. And that as well is $8 off. Please excuse my nails. My 5-year-old likes to do my nails. I don't paint my nails. She does. Okay. Okay, and then we have another Olay $1 off. Go Body Clean. Cleansing, Hydrate, Refresh. And that is how that looks. And it is another $1 off coupon. And then we have the free 8x10 photo book at a value of $29. When I go to this website, free photo book 8x10 with PinchMe. And then coupon booklet. We already have 1 free jar, and now we have 3 coupons for $8 off. Okay, sorry about that glare from the light. Okay. Oh, we have 5 because there are 2 more inside. So that is completely awesome. And yesterday, it's every Tuesday. You would go on their website and you get, different things that you can choose from to put in the box that they need you to take a look at, or different coupons, a lot of different things on there. If you just want to go down below and click the link and go over there and check it out for yourself. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming, and please do subscribe and hit that bell right there in order to get all of my future video updates. Please smash that like button. Let's try to get this video to 200. Perhaps. I'm shooting for the stars. But thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later.